Klover and Chime both help people manage money through mobile apps, but they are built for different purposes. Klover focuses on cash advances and financial tools, while Chime focuses on digital banking. By the end, you'll know how Klover and Chime compare, what each app is designed to do, and which one may fit your financial needs better. The biggest difference is the type of service you are getting. Klover is designed around short-term money access and financial management features. Chime is designed around online banking services and account management. Klover is built for users who want tools that help them manage their finances and access available cash advance features when eligible. The app focuses on helping users handle short-term money needs through its available features. Chime works more like a digital bank. Users can manage their money through the app, use account features, and handle everyday financial activity without relying on a traditional bank branch. If you are comparing the two, start with your main goal. If you need access to a cash advance feature, review how Klover's available options work and what requirements apply. If you need a digital banking account, compare Chime's account features and services. The way each app evaluates users can also be different. Klover's available features may depend on eligibility and account information. Chime's banking features depend on the account type and requirements connected to its services. Another difference is daily use. Klover is focused more on financial tools and short-term money support. Chime is focused more on managing an online bank account and handling regular transactions. Fees and requirements should also be part of your comparison. Review the current information inside each app because costs, available features, and eligibility requirements can change. The better choice depends on what problem you are trying to solve. Someone looking for cash access features may compare Klover differently than someone looking for a full digital banking experience. Before choosing either app, check the details that matter most to you, including available features, account requirements, and any costs connected to the services you plan to use. To summarize, Klover focuses on cash advances and financial tools, while Chime focuses on digital banking. Neither option is automatically better because they solve different problems. Compare the features you actually need before signing up. If this comparison helped you, like the video and subscribe for more app comparisons.